If you're experiencing crashing issues with the EAFC25, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for EAFC25. This includes checking your CPU, GPU, RAM, and storage space to confirm they align with the game specifications. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your graphics card. Installing the latest drivers can improve game performance and stability. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam or Origin, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This process checks for any corrupted or missing files and replaces them automatically. Step 4. Adjusting game settings. Lower the graphics settings in the game to see if that resolves the crashing issue. Reducing settings such as resolution, texture quality, and shadows can help improve performance on lower-end systems. Step 5. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background, especially those that consume a lot of resources. This can free up memory and processing power for the game, potentially preventing crashes. By following these steps, you should be able to address the crashing issues in EAFC25. If problems persist, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.